Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are unable to install games and apps from the Microsoft Store on Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type WSRESET. WSRESET, run command. You need to open it. This will help you to resolve your problems guys. If you still having a problem, I show you guys how to fix that. Let's wait for it to open. It's not get resolved. Let's move on to the next step guys. Go to search menu and type installed apps. NSTALL installed apps. Open it. In here we need to type search menu, type Microsoft Store. Just need to click on three dot icon over here and click advanced option and scroll down guys. In here, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app data won't it be affected. Click repair guys. Now close out of here and try to download in Microsoft Store guys. If the problem get resolved, if the problem didn't get resolved, try this as well guys. If this app still isn't working right, we can try to reset this app. For this, go to reset option over here and this will permanently delete the app data on this device including your preferences and sign in details. Click on reset guys. Now close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. Your problem has been solved. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.